My name's Townsend. I'm CEO of Townsend Building Supply. We decided to bring in CT Darnell Sunbelt Rack on this project after we had a preliminary design on our facility. We recognized the need for a construction company that had industry-specific expertise. Our general contractor that we had hired for the project was pushing us in the direction of tilt wall construction, but we wanted to get a second opinion. So I reached out to Rick Stout, who we had a previous relationship with through other projects, and Rick came back with some preliminary budgets that showed us an ability to save hundreds of thousands of dollars. So after working through that process with some preliminary designs and budgets, we decided that CT Darnell Sunbelt Rack was the way to go. We started working with CT Darnell Sunbelt Rack in the early 1990s when my father Dale was building a greenfield facility in Enterprise, Alabama, and Alan Darnell was with CT Darnell. So during the project, Rick Stout did an excellent job of communicating with me and my team. So whenever a challenge would arise, maybe a conflict with another trade, we would jump on the phone, exchange emails. He would go back to his design team and produce several solutions of which to push forward, and we got through every one of them without a problem.
I'm Scott Wisser. I'm the general manager at Townsend Building Supply. What I would love most about this facility is the fact that it is a state-of-the-art building. This facility is built after Hurricane Michael. Everybody in the community was asking, what is this, before we put the signs up. It's a beautiful building. It's in their community now. Everybody loves the fact that this is here.
Compared to our other facilities, this yard is much more efficient and can handle more revenue with less staff. The primary aspects of the facility, starting at the back of the property, is a three-sided shed which serves to house sheet goods, roofing products, and some millwork items. And in the middle, building number 2 is a rack-supported structure, which is a drive-through lumber yard. It also houses our dispatch office. At the front of the property is our hardware showroom, which also has door and millwork displays, our office building, and our millwork warehouse, which has loading docks on the side of it.
Compared to other facilities I've worked at, I would say the call rate is about 30% less. The racking actually makes it easier for the guys to access the material without damaging it. It's not stacked on top of each other. It's actually in racks or bins, and it's covered. We actually love the power bin. We've convinced a lot of our vendors to build the loads the way we want to put them into the power bin, meaning that if I'm buying cedar, I'm asking them to put 1x4, 8s, 10s, 12s, 16s onto one skid, and then we can take that skid and load it right into the power binner without ever touching it, and just load it right in. We love the stack racks. What we use them for is we stack them in the warehouse, and we will load windows and doors onto them. When we go to make deliveries, we just pick up the whole rack. It goes onto the truck. If it's a flatbed, they can use a Moffett at the job site to take that off. We can build our loads faster. We can take care of the customer faster. It is definitely more efficient.